How to log out of Amazon on all devices. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Amazon application on a device. After updating Amazon application, simply open up Amazon. Now wait for the screen to load. Now tap on the user icon at the bottom menu. Now wait for some time and scroll down. Now next to your account, simply tap on See All. Now scroll down and tap on Devices. Now tap on Amazon. Now tap on the device you want to log out and click on Deregister. Now simply tap on Deregister. Now, now repeat the same process for all devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.